There will be a total lockdown today in Biafra land. Simon Ekpa. My people, no be small thing o. They say that the PM of Biafra government in exile wey be Simon Ekpa. He don talk say today wey go be the 1st of February. He say there will be a lockdown o. Say cockroach o, make dem no come outside and make everybody go vote for the self-referendum. As that one dey happen o, they say that if you see the way Ghanas don wake up now, come dey tell Fulanese wey dey their farm, also dey kpai people for over there. They say that the Ghana don give order say if they reach there, even one cockroach, make no one cockroach remain for there. As na the ogbalegbe wey be police o enter inside that place, omo. They carry all the whole cattle wey dey there wey reach up to 200, everything for yata yata. No be small thing, my people, things are happening, but for Nigeria dem dey prepare their own Fulani because they don take over the government, so e no go fit do them anything for inside Nigeria. My people, if that one sef wey dey happen, if they say even Burkina Faso, the ones wey they don employ dey come from Burkina Faso, they dey pass Burkina Faso dey go Nigeria, the people reach up to 300. Na so Burkina Faso military just all of them still fall yata yata for ground. Where are they going for Nigeria? No be small thing. I know say Fulanis wey dey for Nigeria now, they powerful for the matter because their plan e no go work. Yeah, my people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. We see dey here dey bring updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, they say that Simon Ekpa will be the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. He say he don give order today. He say that and today we're going to be a lockdown for inside Biafra land. No be small thing. I come ask Tinubu wetin happen. Na so Tinubu stand there dey look me. I dey see am for this picture. See dey look me. The thing vex me sef. But however, we go play the video when they talk this thing before we go come back. Go continue.
We have secured Biafra land, and the insecurity we have are state-sponsored, being orchestrated by the Nigerian army and the terrorist police. They are involved in kidnapping, raping, killing of women and children, and burning of our marketplaces, homes, and businesses. For the self-referendum that will start on the 1st of February, we hereby declare sit at home civil disobedient to create awareness that will enable Biafrans to vote while in their comfort homes. So, fellow Biafrans, on the 1st of February, which is Thursday, entire Biafra land will be locked down. We have communicated all bishops in Biafra territory. We have communicated all officials by mail who reside in Biafra territory. Anyone who violates the order of Biafra government will have him or herself to blame. It is now a revolutionary phase of the Biafra liberation. And Biafra government remain the only legitimate government of the Biafra people, and Biafra people are loyal to. And Biafra government also has a legitimate de facto government chosen by the people of Biafra and not the Nigeria state. Our state government are very active. We have 40 active United States of Biafra. We have 40 active state administrators, otherwise called governors of these 40 states. These 40 states have administrators, state executives that are running the affair of the de facto government of Biafra. Let this sit at home that is coming on the 1st of February be shared to every cranny of Biafra territory, as we are going to lock down every road leading.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, maybe you don't hear them. So for those of you where they call you, come they tell me say, see wetin dey happen for this side though. See wetin dey happen. If you try am again, I go deal with you. You don't hear them. Biafra land they don't secure them, and the insecurity no there again. So no, they come in my comment section, come they write nonsense. They tell me say something they happen for so place. So because nothing dey happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing, no. Let me play you this video. May you see how Ghanas take send the message wey be say wey Fulani people dey understand very well. Because for inside Nigeria, they paint them like say and na them be the God. But however, let's watch this video before we go come back and continue.
Cattle owners at Agogo say they are ready to comply with the directives to evacuate their animals from Agogo land. They, however, pleaded for 2 additional days to enable them evacuate their animals.
About 200 police and military personnel were deployed at Asante Achim Agogo yesterday to enforce a court ruling which ordered for the evacuation of cattle from Agogo. And the Agogo Divisional Police Commander who led the charge did not mince words, urging his men to be ruthless.
Are the Fulanis better than us? Can they shoot better than us? Can they do the military and police job more than us? They say they are guerrilla tactics, they are guerrilla fighters, and they are going to ambush you and shoot you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, nobody should die in the bush as a police or soldier or whatever. We are going back with our number and come back with our number. And to be safe, if you see anybody holding arms want to attempt you, please don't waste time.
The Operation Cow-led team is expected to have so far shot and killed over 100 cows in the area. One of the cattle owners at Agogo, Alhaji Adam Ahmed Madi, says most of his colleagues are ready to comply with the evacuation directives.
They kill about almost 79 of my animals. Now the remaining ones with the babies are the ones we are appealing to them. They should just give us, even if it's 2 days, 3 days, to move them from Agogo land. This is all what we are trying, begging the MP.
He also pleaded with the security personnel to revise their decision to shoot and kill their cattle.
People's cows they killed yesterday is over 200 and something. They killed them. And then those people are Ghanaian citizens basing here in Agogo.
There has been a standoff between farmers and nomadic herdsmen at Agogo over the destruction of farms by cattle over the past 25 years. A Kumasi High Court in 2012.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, maybe you don't see all those people now will be say they carry cow, they waka for Nigeria. They do not say una go fit take all the whole Nigeria now. Big lie, because this cow one they carry the waka na say one day people no go wake up. You see Ghana 25 good years now Fulani they give them wahala for inside that place, but one day they wake up, they say no, this must end. This government wanna hijack for inside Nigeria now, so it go still be. People will get and go wake up one day, tell una say, oh yeah, it's over. That's so it be. However, my people, may you share the video and let us know what you think for inside comment section. Leave your own opinion. And do not forget to follow this page for more updates and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today na the sit at home. If you're at home today, may you write for inside comment section say I am at home. Okay, my people, now so if you go to bring you update of things where they happen as they go on.